Hello guys. Let's quickly look at the market overview today. Um, as you guys will notice, Bitcoin has hit all-time high. Bitcoin has hit all-time high, and it's it touched 123,300. That is all-time high. But then, what are you expecting in the coming week? So let's take a quick look at um what will happen to Bitcoin in the coming week. So first, let me go to check liquidation roadmap. Now, this is the liquidation roadmap. By liquidation roadmap, you see that there is a lot of liquidity to grab at 118,490. 118,490. So since we are expecting, since we have a lot of liquidity at this point, since we have a lot of liquidity at this area, so I am expecting that market will likely come and take out the liquidity that is here. Because if you look to the upside, if you look to the upside, there are no liquidity. There are no liquidity there. That will mean that there are so many buys in the market now. So since there are many buys, nobody is actually shorting BTC right now. That is what this map is telling us, that nobody is actually shorting right now. So since there are so many buys, the market will likely retrace to the downside. Take out this liquidity that is here, then before we push up. So now let's go ahead, and since we know likely what will happen, I'm going to check my BTC chart. On my BTC chart here, you can see I have already drawn my areas of interest. You can see how on the weekly BTC managed to break out with this Marubuzo. So this week, on the weekly, this shows that BTC will continue going up. But in the short time, what am I expecting in the short time? In the short time, what am I expecting? In the short time, I am expecting BTC to retrace. I am expecting BTC to retrace to this area, 117,800, 117,099. So I am expecting BTC to come to this area that I just marked, which I marked as a weak area of. It is my weak area of interest. So it's a weak support or point of interest. So I am expecting BTC to play into this point, and you can see that this my area of interest actually align with our liquidation map, what liquidation map was showing. But then if you notice on this, if you notice something here, you will see this candle. You will see that candle. You will see this candle that I just printed on the 4 hour. You will see that dodgy. So this dodgy now, I'm expecting now BTC to, I am expecting BTC to, because of this dodgy, I am expecting in the next 8 hours, I am expecting BTC to maybe move up to this level, up to this level, then drop because of that candle that I just printed. If not, I was expecting BTC to drop all the way down. But if BTC breaks below this, if BTC breaks this local support or weak support, now what am I expecting? If BTC breaks that weak support, what am I expecting? Let me go to the daily. On the daily, you will see a lot of gap to be filled. But then I am not expecting BTC to go below this level unless something major happens in the market. I'm not expecting BTC to go below 113k level. So what am I expecting? If BTC will retrace, it can retrace. If it does, if it breaks below this one, it will get to 113 and continue going up. So that is what I am expecting on BTC. So it will continue going up. But then, since you are trading, many of you might not be even you are not even intraday trader to hold for a very long time. So let's see, for people that are day traders that would likely want to look at a very short time trend and close the trade at the end of the day. So I have a dashboard here. I have a dashboard. On my dashboard here, on my dashboard, you will see the weekly bias of BTC is bullish. That means the weekly bias of BTC here is bullish because the weak candle of BTC is a bullish candle. That is why that is showing us bullish on the dashboard. Now the total trade, that means on the daily today, total trade, the impact of total trade, that means the total uh, crypto combined, the market cap of crypto combined apart from Ethereum is bullish, and the USDT dominance is bearish. Why BTC dominance is bearish? That is for BTC. So if you go and look at other coins, let me check other coins. This is BTC. So that means for today, weekly on BTC is bullish and total 3 is bullish. So BTC for today is bullish. So I will look for, so if I'm looking to trade bullish BTC, I will look for opportunity to trade to the upside. Now let me look at other trend. This is spare. On other trade of on spare, let's say this is spare. Now on spare, you will see that the weekly is bullish, the total 3 is bullish. So that means, to you as a trader, you look for, allow this pair to move into your area of consideration, maybe your strong support, then you long it from that. So you can even see from here, spare. Let me check on the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, you can see that this pair has moved into our area of interest and is moving up, and continue moving. Now, one thing about this dashboard that I designed is that this dashboard will always tell you the direction of a trend. But if your weekly bias on any coin is bullish and does not align with your total trade, then you are trading in an opposite direction of the market. So always align your total trade to align with your weekly bias. So that will mean that if your weekly candle is bullish and total trade is bullish, so just look for opportunity to trade. Even if the market goes against you, after like maybe some hours, two, or probably a day or two, you'll be back in profit. So that is why I have this dashboard on my trading view. I know most of you will be wondering how to get this trading this dashboard. I would tell you about that later. Now, if you also look at Solana, the weekly of Solana is bullish. Total 3 is bullish. So just look for opportunities to trade to the upside. So you can go and map out your point of interest, maybe consider your nearest point of interest and begin to long um, Solana from there. So let's go back to Binance. So I have already marked out my point of interest here. So I'm expecting BTC to come to this area. Then I then I take a buy. Then I take a buy. And if I take a buy at this point, I will be willing to hold up to here. I'll be willing to hold up to 113. So I'll go for a leverage and margin size that even if the market gets here, I will still be good. That will not make me to panic. So look for a leverage and margin that will not make you to panic, even if BTC drops to 110k. Because what if BTC like come to 110k, which is a very strong support? If BTC comes to 110k, will you get liquidated or not? Ask yourself that question. Then enter with a good leverage that will not threaten you or that will not make you to start panic when BTC comes to 110k, because it is a possible area of retest. So that is that, guys. And currently we are having a challenge on our simple trades, which we outline what we are going to be doing. We have some categories of coins that we want to be trading: group 1, group 2, up to group 4. And these were the first set of coins that we traded, although they have retraced now. If you are interested to join our challenge or join our group, the link to our group is down below on this video. So this is a quick overview of the market right now. The market is very bullish, so look for opportunities to long. If you want to get our signals, you can join our WhatsApp group where we drop signals. We dropped a signal earlier today. Let me check. Yes, we dropped a signal. Look at RODNT is going to sell, and you see people started taking the trade and they are in profit already. So this person will be in more profit because this thing is going to drop. Let's take a look at RODNT. Okay, you can see how RODNT is dropping. You can see, let me check on trading view, see what is going on. Okay, for those of you following our method of technical analysis, you can see how RODNT played into our point of interest here. Once it plays into your point of interest, you go to 1 hour and check for candlestick reversal pattern. You go to 1 hour, you check for candlestick reversal pattern. Look at see this is engulfing candle there, and that has given you a reversal. So it will make you to enter early. If you are doing maybe smart money concept, people that are doing smart money concept now, they might likely be waiting for a break of structure, change of character, right? They will be using a change of character before they now maybe look for other block or other block fair value gap before they take this trade. But people that are using candlesticks, they already have a confirmation here already, and they have been in the trade for since 0.0251. So they are more than 100% profit. So that was that about the signal. If you want to join, you can join our WhatsApp and see you in our next video. Guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you. See you.